Really good spot. Ooh, that's really nice. Good. That's really close. That's impressive. So it looks like it's traveled to this spot. Did leave a little bit right there when it moved the mods, but it's close enough to get to that corner. So it's very impressive so far. Time to tell. Oh, it never recognizes the same. So some things, and that's ending up like that fall. So that's really slow around, maybe recognizing this here. There's something else to say, I'm not sure. I think it is. We'll see. Let me know. Yeah, just take a look at the furniture. Swipe. Yeah, the second, clean all the close to the wall. The entire length of that wall. We're on the structure. Okay. Okay, that's kind of where I'm going to go 4 5. Kind of wide pattern. I'm not sure if that's necessary, but we'll see. It doesn't hurt. It's extra, yeah. That's why. So it's way down that much though.